Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Today we're going to check out the S50 LITE by Ameta. This is a brushless motor drone. It's a folding camera drone. It is under 250 grams. It's 249 grams, so you don't need a registration. It has a 4K camera. You get 2 batteries and the charge cables are included. The remote control also is rechargeable and that cable is also included. And it connects to your phone through Wi-Fi, and you have a TF card behind the battery. So you have a high quality video and pictures on this drone. Let's get it up there and see what it can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Here we go. Gotta clear the table. Use this as our landing pad. Alright. Down into the middle, I assume. Yep. And then up on the throttle. Wow, look at it go. That is smooth. Let me bring it back down here. Do a little walk around there so we can see how stable it is. We do have some wind today. Look at that, that's nice. Cool, I like this little drone. This is super nice. Very cool. I got a little sweat on its leg there, I see. Very cool. It's a hot day. So hot my drone's sweating. Look at it go. This should have good range. You have telemetry on that. Wow, look at that camera quality. I don't know if you can see that or not, but man, it looks pretty. To the naked eye, it looks really good. Alright, let's do a couple snapshots. Let me find out where that's all at here on this one. Okay, camera's on the right top. There's one. Turn it back this way a little bit. I notice the wind is causing a little bit of shake with the image, but it's pretty windy up there. Not sure if you can see the trees moving. We'll see. Let's do a little video. Started the video. We're gonna do a slow 360. The wind's really picking up. Apologies, guys. Try not to hold that against the drone. It would do fine on a calm day, I'm sure. They're only rated for so much. I think this might be a 5 in the wind rating. But it's doing really well. It's holding its own for sure. Staying put. Okay, let me take her for a little flight here. Make sure I stop the video. I did. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to take her for a little cruise, and then we're going to do a return to home. Boy, it flies super well. No range issues at this point. Of course, I'm not pushing it to its limits or anything. Very cool. Alright, I'm going to hit the return to home. It's going to be right here, the middle, to the left side. Just hit that. You may have to, nope, looks like that's it. Oh, cool. It spun around and is headed back this way quick. Hope you guys can see that. Oh, I just about tripped over the chair. Oh, cool. It spins back around then when it comes to land. I really like that. And a drone. This does have rubber feet. Another quality I like. Good camera. I like that. a TF card slot. That's really nice. So it's got a lot of things going for it. Good stable flight. It's a legitimate project, or a product, sorry. A little off on its accuracy with the GPS, but it's not terrible. Right there's the takeoff point, and it's gonna land in the campfire spot, so within about 6 feet, I would say. I'm gonna go ahead and you gotta hit the return to home button to stop this one, just so you know. All right, see if I can land this one on the table. All right, we got it. There you have it, folks. That's the S50 by Ameta LITE. It's the S50 LITE. Sorry about that. It is a GPS drone. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Peace. Bye.